Once upon a time, in a big and a beautiful garden, there lived a honeybee named Buzz. Buzz loved to fly around and collect nectar from flowers to make delicious honey. He was always very busy and never had time for a break. One day, while Buzz was flying back to his hive, he realized that he was being followed by a group of friendly creatures. These creatures were Buzz's friends: a ladybug, a butterfly, and a bird. Buzz was surprised to see them following him and asked, "Hey guys, what are you all doing here?" Ladybug replied, "We wanted to enjoy the beauty of the flower with you, Buzz. And of course, we also want to help you collect nectar." Buzz and his friends worked together to collect nectar from the flowers. They flew from one flower to another, filling their honey pockets. The butterfly even helped by spreading pollen on the petal of the flowers. As they collected more and more nectar, they also noticed that some flowers didn't have enough nectar left for them to collect. The bird suggested that they plant more flowers so that all of them could have enough nectar to collect and enjoy. Buzz and his friends were so happy to work together, and they realized that they had so much in common. They all loved the beauty of the flowers and sweetness of honey. From that day on, they continued to work together in the garden. Buzz and his friends not only collect nectar but also help plant new flowers for the garden. They knew that by working together, they could make the garden more and more beautiful and full of sweet honey. The moral of this story is that teamwork and cooperation are essential to achieving common goals. Buzz and his friends were able to accomplish more together than they could alone. By working together, they were able to share their strength and talent, and they also learned the value of helping one another. Likewise, in our lives, we should always try to work together with others toward a common goal.